Hello students, in this lecture video, I'll be discussing about the means of spread. Like how do infectious diseases they spread? Alright, so the microbes which are there, they are communicated to the healthy person from the infected person in case of communicable diseases. So there are various sources by which the microorganisms can spread the diseases. So one is air. Now this occurs through the droplet infection, like somebody who is sneezing, who is coughing. So those droplets can spread over a distance, and if a person who is closely standing near an infected person can easily inhale those droplets, and then the microbes will get a chance to start a new infections. So diseases which are spread through air by droplet infection, one is recently the novel coronavirus, COVID, then common cold, pneumonia and tuberculosis. Now, if somebody is suffering from cold, we have seen that in crowded conditions, if we are there, that is why the social distancing concept has come. That in crowded living conditions, the airborne diseases are likely to spread more. Okay, so now let us look at it through this diagram, that how these infections are spread. See, the air transmitted diseases, if this is the infected person, the small droplets, they are going to make a big droplet. So there will be a nucleus. The center part is called as nucleus, and the other droplets will start accumulating, and then these can be carried to certain distance. That is why there is a distance also that has to be maintained. So the large droplets, they will settle nearby, and the smaller one, they will settle around 4 meters at a distance. Now another diseases which are spread is through water. Now water can be contaminated with excreta, with pathogens like in cholera. So if the infectious agents are mixed in the drinking water, it can cause diarrhea, it can cause cholera. Then the next type of means of spread is in AIDS or syphilis. That is through sexual contact. That is basically because of the transfer of body fluids. So it is not through handshake or hug, nothing. It will not transfer like that. Only through the body fluids. So let us see how through body fluids. See, first is that AIDS can spread through blood to blood contact. Means if we are using any, you can say if a person has, infected person has used a needle, a syringe, and the same is being used, maybe during vaccination or in case of intravenous drug users, then this can be transferred. Another is if infected mother is there, she can pass the disease during pregnancy or through breastfeeding. So now we have seen that there are a variety of means of spread like air, water and physical contact through body fluids. Another important part is the vector diseases, means diseases which are caused by vectors. Now what are these vectors? These are animals which carry infectious agents from sick person to the potential host. So these are carriers of diseases. So you can call them as intermediaries because they intermediate between sick person and the host, and you can also call them vectors. Mosquitoes are the commonly known vectors, like we have seen previously in malaria also, that it is causative agent is protozoa, but the carrier is mosquito. So these mosquitoes, they need, especially the females, they need nutritious food in the form of blood. So they are going to suck the blood from the humans, and they will release these protozoans in the blood of humans. In this way, then the mosquitoes can transfer the diseases from one person to the other. In that way, you can say. Okay, so in this figure, you can see the common methods of transmission of diseases, like infected person to healthy person, how it will be transmitted. It can be through animals, through insects, that is vectors, then contaminated food and water, and indirect contact, like in case like of coronavirus also, it is advised that if person is infected, we should not touch any utensils or anything which the person has touched. Then through air, airborne diseases, that is droplet infection, and through the contact, through physical contact.